you ever made fried rice that is not mushy? Have you ever even made fried rice? If you answered yes to these questions, please call 1-800. Okay, stop. You're not a lawyer. You're a cook.
Hi everyone, welcome to Spicy Gigi. Today we're going to be making, you guessed it, Thai fried rice. To make fried rice that is not mushy is easy. You just have to follow these few steps. So first, you want to make sure that you rinse your rice once or twice to remove the excess starch. And then you also want to make sure you use leftover rice. So a day-old rice is good, or even a 2-day-old rice, it's even better. Now that you're equipped with a few tips, let's get started.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Bon appétit!